The question says the kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at positions A, B, and C are Ka, Kb, and Kc respectively. Ac is the major axis and Sb is perpendicular to AC at the position of Sun S, as shown in the figure. Then what is true? This is VA pointing down and this is BC pointing up. A is point A. Point A is perihelion, whereas point C is aphelion. So VA is greater than VB, which is also greater than VC, which will result in Ka greater than Kb greater Kc. Hence option 4th.